When the boat is submerged in the fluid exerts an upward force on the boat. This force is called a buoyant force. The buoyant force acts in the opposite direction of gravity, and because it acts in the opposite direction of gravity, the objects submerged in the fluid have a net force in them that is smaller than their weight. To float, the buoyant force must equal the object's weight, balancing the two forces out. Archimedes' principle states that any object completely or partially submerged in a fluid experiences an upward buoyant force equal in magnitude to the weight of the fluid displaced by the object. Therefore, Fb equals Fg equals mFg, where Fb is the magnitude of buoyant force, Fg is the displaced fluid, and mFg is the weight of fluid displaced. However, objects still may sink because the buoyant force is not enough to keep it afloat. Density must be also taken into account. The mass density is the mass per unit volume of a substance, giving us the formula P equals m over v, where the mass density is represented by P, m is the mass, and v is the volume. The density of an object determines the depth of submersion, so in order to float, the object's density can never be greater than the density of the fluid. An increase in mass will cause an increase in density, causing the boat to sink.